Hello, welcome back. Mashed sweet plantains. You heard me. Mashed sweet plantains. And these ones, I'm not going to cook them alone. I'm going to cook them with lamb chops. Yes, lamb chops. This meal is going to be delicious. So go nowhere. Let's have some fun. Let's create. So I found these two ripe plantains. And the question was, fry them or smash them? So I'm going to smash them. So two plantains, very ripe, garlic, going to use plenty of that. I have some fresh red onion, that's from the farmer's market, and olive oil. I might need some salt for taste, and pretty much that's it. So the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to boil the sweet plantains. See, I cut them in half. I cut the edges too. And I'm going to let them boil until they're cooked and very soft. I figure it's going to be over 5 minutes at least. So I'm going to let them boil. It's been about 8 minutes, so I'm going to turn it off. High heat. Little bit of olive oil. Now I don't want to fry the garlic, so I'm going to turn the heat to medium low. And I add the minced garlic. And this is not going to take a long time. This is actually about maybe a minute. So what you're going to do, you're going to move it around. Ooh. Do this for about maybe 45 seconds to a minute. You don't want them to fry. These babies are making me cry now. So I'm going to get them out. So I took the water out and I left them at room temperature for a little bit to cool down. They're still warm. So what you do, you take the peel out. Carefully because they're hot. Do the same for the other 3 pieces. And I use in my hand because, they're soft. Once again, they're hot, so you have to be careful. Then you use some sword tool and you start smashing them. Mash them for a little bit, and then you can add a little bit of garlic that you just cook to bring the flavor with the oil and the garlic. You don't have to add it all, just enough. And then you Mush it together. You can add onions if you wanted to, and other things. I didn't. That's pretty much what you do. Then you let it cool down a little bit at room temperature. And then you shape it. See how pretty it is? So I decided to cook some lamb chops. Only thing I did was sea salt and pepper, both sides. Hot pan. I'm going to cook them 3 minutes on one side and between 3 to 4 minutes the other side. That's it. So I'm going to lower the heat to medium high, from high to medium high. I'm going to flip them because it's been 3 minutes. And I'm going to cook them for 3 minutes on the other side. It's been 3 minutes, so I'm going to take them out. Now I'm going to let them rest for 5 minutes. So I grabbed the onions and I cut them vertically into chunks. And I'm going to heat them out for like a minute or two. And I have this in medium low. Because I don't want them fried, I just want them sautéed. Using the same oil that I used before. I think 1 minute might be sufficient.